Ah, itong upuan? Oo. Tropa ko na yung mga. Parang wala kayong gana ah. Meron na oh.
3-2.
Kuya Mel. Oh, wala pa yung sila ano. Shan. Sila Shan. Occident siya, sunod daw oh. Yan na oh. Yan. Napuyat yan sa kakapanood nung ano, yung video kagabi. Dami daw ano eh, pasabit eh. Pre, napuyat ka ata sa kakapanood mo kagabi ah. Bakit? Sumakit nga ako din dito eh. May sprain nga ako eh. Oo, ito. Pero yung una pa lang, nung una pa lang, wala sa stretching siguro. Pero pinahidan ko ng ano eh.
Dahil sa luka yan, pre, tingin mo.
Pinahidan ko ng...
Baka may luka sa'yo, pre.
Baka kulang ng benta lang, pre.
Ano, pre, kinalat mo na yung picture ng ano?
Oo, kinalat ko na.
Wala pa kumukuha, pre.
Wala pa, nag-iisip pa yung mga yan. Mga 5 days siguro. Magbenta na yan.
Abs.
Si Abs, wala pa. Sila yung unang mga...
Hey, Eddie. Long time. Happy New
Hey
Year.
bro.
No work today? Or you're late? Because of that, you got penalty?
No. That's why I play free game later.
It's good to be back.
Yeah.
A long
always.
time.
Long time never see
It's
him.
been a long time.
I thought he go open business in other countries, US and Europe. Become rich man when he go.
Yeah.
Or he join the NBA.
Combining my leaves.
Oh, I see.
It's almost a month.
Oh. You can accumulate lead. You can. Okay, that's good.
Hi, Sam. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Why no Zumba?
But they just started late. I think, as far as I know, they just started. Umpisa lang ano, kondo.
Kakumpisa lang, hindi pa sila makashoot. Lalo na yung Lawrence, oh.
Nice, Lawrence! Yun!
Nahiya na eh. Ha? Change na? Bilis ah. 0-4. Ano ba? 16 lang? 17? Uy!
Nice!
Bumabas na up.
Have you been there?
Never.
In the Philippines, never?
Never went there. I tried to go once, but I think maybe this year. I think. How about there? There's a grab, was it?
But
Maybe
grab,
the grab? No.
grab, yeah, we get grab there, but it's kinda expensive. The price shoot, already shoot up.
Ano nakuha?
Yeah. Boss. I'm not sure if you can check.
Bago pa lang sapatos ni Lawrence eh, kaya hindi makashoot eh.
Ano pala eh, Happy New Year, pre. Shoot eh. He's playing here. Yeah, because before he went back to the Philippines, we
Yeah.
played
They always say leg
Kaki.
right? Leg Kaki Bukit. Is it nice?
It's nice,
I never played that.
but it's better here.
No. Popping.
Over there,
Ups. Maganda kasi kung kalaban siya. Bubumbayin ka mo. Kaya ganun. Magaganda mo.
But you all play indoor, right?
Nakikita mo.
last night.
Yeah, I think it's very good.
How about you?
Sometimes I think usually
Dinner with your family?
no, I'm not sure.
Oh,
So that's why I said if I play until 9, so I can't even eat my dinner already. So I try to join once because I ever played that. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah.
yeah, because we play different whenever we play indoor.
Because before pandemic,
Yeah.
I played indoor.
Here it's like it's just normal, but when we play indoor, it's like we can play in the NBA.
Yeah. So the room is higher also, and the floor is good. The bounce, very bouncy. You can just bounce.
Exactly.
It's different. And also
Your
aircon.
dribbling is
Yeah, aircon.
your dribbling is like you're gonna appreciate that. not sure why I like it most. But I think because I took a lot of shots.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
are all counted.
3 points. But you know, the range is further, you know, the 3 point range is far,
Yep.
it's far from
And
here.
the court is wider.
Yeah, wider.
The official side. Si Densyo ba pupunta pa pala? Yung message. Alam ko si Abs, di makakapunta yun.
Di ba makapunta? Saan naglista?
Nung nasa aking bukid kasi may time na hindi siya nakapunta. Hindi pa siya nag-basketball nun eh. Kaya may tutog na ako kagabi. Hindi ba nag-basketball na yun? Hindi na natin.
Si Ken, o tinabalik mo, di ba?
Sabi ako, nagising na si Kent eh. Baka nag-G tapos umidlit, sabi niya, 5 minutes.
5 minutes sa higaan pala.
May ganun din ako eh, minsan 5 minutes pa. You have to replace your shoes now.
Yeah, I bought a new one, but I
Yeah,
don't
they're
know.
crying.
I bought a new one.
Oh, you want? Why you're not wearing? Because you
I
don't.
want to wait. Yeah, I did fancy our custom.
Nice.
Like, you know, actually we change the new shoes.
Exactly. I think it's not only shoes, right? Also the things.
Shirt, yeah.
Shirt.
Yeah.
How about
Sometimes
that?
we'll buy a new shirt, yeah.
How about the appliances, gadgets?
My wife also treating me.
But if you have money, the tradition is
The very,
once you can replace, you replace it.
shoe or a shirt. How about a shirt is buying it in
But the old clothes can still. Uy! Sorry, I'm going to tell my friend. His name is Andy. He's so great.
Oh no.
Every year he changes his clothes.
No, I'm not playing in the NBA. If I play in the NBA, it's okay. I throw away.
Your clothes are disposable. Happy New Year, pre. Wala pa tayong discount, pre? Meron na. Yun.
Yun, tsaka kay Rizel.
Ayan na. Magsusukot na ako ng anta sa Tampines. May anta na dun eh.
Anta.
Anta na shop. Meron na tayo na. May discount na pala sa hoodie.
Anong bibili mong anta?
Kyrie.
Ay, ayaw mo ng SpongeBob? Meron mga ganun eh. SpongeBob eh. Hindi! SpongeBob na ano ta? Anta ata yun eh.
Dati may SpongeBob Kyrie. Sanay.
Hindi ko alam kung kaninong shoes yun. Yung anta na
Ay,
yun.
SpongeBob.
Yung SpongeBob. Pero yung SpongeBob yung kulay niya kasi yellow tapos orange. Yung isa si ano ang pangalan?
Si Patrick.
Patrick.
Yung pink.
Oo. Pwede mong pwedeng magkaibang kulay yung kunin mo. Pwede rin gusto mo dalawang yellow, dalawang SpongeBob. Hindi ko alam kung Kyrie yun eh. Kyrie mayroong ganun?
The guy wears
White shirt on.
15, yeah. He's a manager.
Yun, pwede na. Si Lawrence na lang hindi nakakashoot. Puro si Ray. Ilan tayo? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Oh. Hindi, wala ay 6 times. Ano ba yun? Anong team yun? Elmer, no?
But every now and then, I just wear night mode.
Kaya hindi team Jekoy. Team Jekoy, ilang dress lang, wala na. Ubus tayo doon. Uy!
Design, design. I think no, I think they're using the market. They're using the market.
Alright. That one is Amber. Or 7 or 7.
Wala, bangko to si Kuya Michael sa ano? Liga.
That's a good 1%. Yeah, right? It's gonna be pretty awesome. Oh, Jay, magbibitawi pa, yabang! Ang yabang eh!
Parang NBA, oh. Oh. Kala ko, andito na nga si Arnold eh.
Nilibig ka na naman.
Pang 11 pala.
Dapat di ba ikaw rin 11? Tama ba? He's 13 now. Buwan din na rin nata pupunta si Ken eh.
On the way daw eh.
Midlip eh. Sabi niya, cheetah.
Akala ko nga 7 mag-start na kayo eh. Sabi ko, putang gana. Baka hindi ko pa maabutan yung second game.
Ako rin.
Kaya sabi ko, mag-start kayo. First game 7:30 sabi ko para makahabol ako sa second game.
Nakaglinis pa kasi ako ng konti. May ugali kasi ako ng pag-aalis.
Oo.
Ako na tapos maglilinis. Pero pag nandun ako sa bahay, walang lakad. Hindi naman ako naglilinis. Feeling ko kasi masipag ako bro pag-aalis.
Hindi, magandang practice yun pre. Paglinis muna.
Boss, nice!
Boom.
Ganda!
Na ano.
Good! Dinos na. Tinapos na. Nice, ganda. Nice, sayang.
Sino? Kulay green? Ito? Ah, okay. Ay, maintenance na!
Kuya Mel yan eh. Walang nakalas pa si Kuya Mel. Did you reach semis?
Yun oh! Si Abs na lang wala.
There was quite a big. It wasn't a blowout, but there was quite a huge. I think it was like.
Game ball.